everyone. This is Chris from CHAINBASE. From our perspective, foremost value of Web3 is the paradigm shift in how data is generated and consumed. So blockchain network provide an open, universally accessible data set for the world. And how to properly utilize this data network and uncover the value behind it is something that we see very valuable. CHAINBASE aim to provide an open, fast, highly available data infra, enabling unconstrained processing and utilizing of on-chain data. So our product consists of 3 layers. At the very bottom, we build our own RPC network covering the raw, abstract, and protocol data across 20 plus public chain from the Genesis block to the present, and we're covering more than the 300 protocols. It helps you to storing and parsing everything. On top of this, we process and refine on-chain data into readable, standardized data sets, which we call it the data interpretation layer. Here, all on-chain data become production-grade, truly usable for business use case. And we are also progressively leveraging our understanding of on-chain data over the past year, along with AI, to optimize the efficiency and automation of data interpretation. Over this sits our data developer interface, the data operation layer. Based on understanding of developer and project on-chain data usage scenarios, we furnish diverse tools to meet their needs, like Data Studio, predefined API, Data Sync, etc. So, and next quarter, this will be unified into our CHAINBASE platform, where developer can freely harness on-chain data and solve business challenge. So in summary, we aim to serve the ecosystem by building an easy-to-use yet powerful structured data layer atop raw blockchain data, eliminating the need for node operation and data rugging. And I will hand over to Ryan to show the demo of our product.
Dear Ryan, can you please check your microphone? I cannot hear any sound, unfortunately.
Can
yes,
you hear me?
I believe you have sound. Yes, lovely. Please continue.
Okay. Can you see the screen? Yes. On the left side, you can see we dive into the 3 major parts on the CHAINBASE console. And the first part is API intelligence. It includes some of the statics infos, like the request counts and average response time. On the second part is our data cloud, our powerful data cloud. I will demonstrate how to use the powerful data cloud to query the data. You can see on the left side, we will show you what is the data set available in our data clouds. When you want to query the Ethereum transaction, you can type the circle like here. Yes, Ethereum docs and transactions and limit. Yes, you will return in the millisecond like here. And you can generate the API. We provide different languages. The query, the code snippet you can paste here. And when you want to query the more complex circle like here, I will show you a more complex circle here. Yes, and just paste this circle in the circle editor and just click the run query. Yeah, it just written, yes, it's only written in the millisecond here, and just show you what datasets can return here. And you can also click here to download this CSV and show you here. Yes, this result here. You can see the result. And I will demonstrate how to use the API key to query this data. Just copy this code snippet and try to create an demo py. It's here, and here we will paste the API key. How to get this API key? Just return this console right here. Yes, just click left. And the dashboard, here is our projects, which corresponded to our API key here. Yes, it just showed the API key. Just copy here and try to replace this API key. Yeah, just save this quick and play this scroll demo. Yeah, he just requires this CHAINBASE API service and get the results in JSON format. You can see this here. Yeah. That is our data clouds can use to query the more complex data, and just use the Circle API to make your DApp as. Yes, that's all. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, thank you for the top-notch demo. It was very nice to follow it. I have one question coming up from 3x Capital. What is your go-to? Excuse me, sorry, Ryan.
Okay.
Oh, okay, lovely.
Go ahead.
What is your go-to-market strategy?
Right now, the premier client for us are developers, and we incorporate deeply with developer communities worldwide. For example, all the developer community from Chinese-speaking area are the strategic partner of us, and we help all the developer to accomplish more with less effort. And they only need to care about the main product of their own and just hand over all the data processing parts to CHAINBASE. And we also want to be the developer hub of all the Asia area, because we have a different ambassador and community members in Vietnam, Singapore, and all the other region in Great Asia area.
Thanks for clarifying. Yes. I have one more question coming up from Mikita from New Tribe Capital. What are the partnerships in place to ensure user traction and revenue generation?
Regarding to the revenue, I think our fee model is need to be adjusted in next quarter. But right now, this is about usage. We have a different plan based on the usage of developer or project. So if you have a higher usage, we're gonna charge more. It's more like a project based or the usage based. But next quarter we're gonna change it to the unit model. They're gonna be more friendly for different type of team and the variety usage. And right now there are around 5,000 developer interact with our product actively and generate more than 200 million API call per day.
Oh, that are some remarkable numbers, and it came to my attention that you will soon release another key integration for your sync feature, the S3. Could you please tell us a little bit more about the upcoming release?
Okay.
Yeah, I think Ryan can hand over to Ryan about a release of our sync feature.
Right? Will be in the December. Okay. Yeah, December earlier.
Lovely. And could you please enlighten us how this feature works? What can we expect?
Yeah, Ryan, could you share more about the sync feature? How does it work?
Yes.
And what is the best user case for it?
Okay, you can see this. Okay. Let me share my screen. Sorry. Yeah, you see the screen here, and you can see in the sync panel we will provide different integration to sync our dataset to your own infrastructure. And like we now provide a webhooker and Kafka integrations. And you can see you can click here to try to sync different chains or different datasets like the ERC20 dataset here. Yes. So this is our feature. You can integrate the Kafka topic, try to ingest the data from the CHAINBASE to your own infrastructure.
Many thanks for clarifying, Brian. That's truly remarkable. We're also out of time, so I have to wrap it up. I can only thank you a lot for joining our event today. It was a pleasure to explore CHAINBASE, and I hope to see you at another event again.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you for your holding any questions.
You're most welcome. Take care.